Did you bring this IKEA back?
Yeah, you can just put everything in here. Y'all didn't have to. I'm sorry, I wasn't even paying attention.
That's smart of you to bring that.
Yeah, I keep a couple of those in the trunk just in case. You just never know.
Yeah, they're handy. Oh. I'm serious, don't laugh. You're thinking about it.
That's all I came for.
Oh, excuse me.
A gentleman that came prepared.
Oh, yeah. You got to keep this in the trunk, you know, at all times. You just never know.
In between them. You finding anything you need?
Oh, yes. Just looking at some of your cameras and stuff. You got a lot of stuff.
Yes, sir, we do.
A lot of different stuff.
Yeah. My parents lived here for over 50 years.
Oh,
as you can
wow.
imagine.
It's very nice, so I like it.
Yeah.
I like this house.
Yeah. Just broke our heart.
And then it's the garage in the basement.
How was it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I've already done the
Basement
garage
is-
and basement.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. The basement.
I got a little car too, but I usually drive my Chevy, but it's been parked the last
Yeah, we got a Prius.
2
That's
weeks.
why I'm driving.
Oh,
right
well,
now.
that's perfect right
We've had
there.
that since 2013. I was best car
Any
ever
problems? No
owned.
problems out of it at all?
50 miles to the gallon.
Oh, yeah.
Got 11.9 gallon tank. My wife said, "This is the most it's ever cost me." I said, "Yeah." Then I got an F-150
Oh, I already know.
that's set up for towing, heavy duty suspension and towing package. But it's got the 3.5 EcoBoost. Just in town, it gets 18 to 20. On the road, it gets almost 25.
Yeah.
Not towing. If I tow, it's 10 or 12.
Oh, wow.
So right now, it's sitting in the driveway.
Oh, I bet.
And it's got a 30, I had a 35 gallon tank, gas tank put on it.
Oh, wow. 35 gallons.
Well, because we travel with a tow.
Oh, okay,
I
yeah.
didn't want to have to stop at gas stations because I think they only put like 18, well, maybe about 22 gallon tank or something,
Yeah,
you know?
like I think of 24 on that.
Something like that,
Yeah. Yeah, that's 35 gallons times 4.25. How much is that?
It wasn't too bad when it was $2 a gallon.
Yeah.
It still ain't too bad when it's around 3 or 3, but
That's a lot of money.
yeah, my Prius is getting work out now.
Yeah.
I'm doing good. I had about 100 and something lures. Some guy came and bought every one of them.
I figured they'd go quick.
And there was some good ones in there. I mean, he didn't buy just 1 or 2 lures.
There's like 7 pairs here. Yep. All right, I think I'm done. Got a lot of your clothes here.
So that's the G. That was her go.
Yeah.
GE jacket. Good.
That's pretty nice.
Here, I can hold this stuff after you count it.
That's $4.
Okay. That's 69.
I just say eat that.
Okay.
And that's it?
I haven't added this.
Oh, you
in
haven't?
yet.
Okay. Go ahead.
So, but we can still say it even 7.
Oh, I appreciate it.
Did you bring this IKEA back?
Yeah, you can just put everything in here. Y'all didn't have to. I'm sorry, I wasn't even paying attention.
That's smart of you to bring that.
Yeah, I keep a couple of those in the trunk just in case. You just never know.
they're handy.
So I'm going back.
We have problems and everything else in this country, but yet we've got billions of dollars to hand off to somebody else outside the country.
Let me see.
There's just something wrong with that in my mind. I may be totally idiot.
Our grandchildren's children will be paying all that stuff.
Tell our grandchildren will be paying for
That's what I mean, our grandchildren's children.
Yeah.
You know, money don't grow on trees, but I guess it does, because it used to be backed by gold reserves.
That's right, you couldn't have no more money printed than you had gold to back it.
But they don't do that now.
Now then, money's nothing more than a piece of paper.
China is actually trying to get the world market to change over to the yen.
Well, we've borrowed so much
But I
money
don't
from
think that's
China.
gonna happen.
No, I don't either, but I tell you, I don't know what we need to do. We need to do something totally to change the whole system, the way everything's being run.
We should take care of our own people. There's plenty of people in this country who need help
That's what I'm saying, you
without
know.
consequences.
That's what I'm saying, we don't have money to take care of these vets and everything, and then all the homeless people and stuff. Now, there's a lot of people out here that's homeless, they're out there by choice. You know, I do know that for a fact.
Yeah.
But
You can't.
you can't help somebody who don't want to help themselves.
I'm a Christian, and in the Bible said there will always be the poor and the poor of health. But you can help the people that want to be helped. You're never going to be able to get help.
That's what I'm saying, you can't help people.
I'm scared to pick these paper mache.
Bruh.
I think I'm gonna get these dolls. See if they take
Yeah,
20 up for the pair.
yeah. I mean, I'll make them offer. You know, that's what I mean. I would just make an offer. Say
I'm scared to pick these things up.
for $20. I don't know, I'll take this for 20.
Yeah, let's see.
Invest in 2 slices.
You got a good salesman down there.
Yeah.
She talking me into the dolls right here.
Those are terribly. I mean, those are old. To me, they're spooky.
Yeah, they are. They gotta be over 100-year-old dolls.
They're old. I think those were from like parents, grandparents, parents, or they're really old.
Yeah,
You can tell because of the way they're made and stuff.
Like it's paper mache, I believe.
Yeah.
I think that's how they made them back in the day. I'm
Make
scared
them
to carry them up
Make
here.
them look a little presentable, or put them out for Halloween.
Hopefully, I make it home with these things in the car. Y'all take it easy.
Thanks a lot. Appreciate it.
Alright, it's later on in the day. I actually just got off work. It's almost midnight. I'm over here in my office. Just kind of want to show you what I got real quick from the estate sale. I think I'm gonna go back tomorrow. I don't know. I'm tired. So let's just go through it real quick. I got a lot of clothes, and I didn't realize that I got this many clothes really until I got here, because I'm trying to lay off clothes. I just got a big NASCAR lot of about 200 and something shirts. That's at home. I need to get it. It's actually in my truck. I need to get it out of my truck. I got clothes in here. I got clothes in these bags. Your boy just got approved on what lot, so I'm gonna have a lot of cigarette haul. Our auction's coming up soon. I got hats for days, so just follow me on Whatnot. It's Tesla Picker, just like here, if you have an account there. Anyway, let's go through what I got, because I'm tired, I'm rambling. First, let's start off here. I got a bunch of these chicks. Y'all seen they had a bunch of vintage chick pants. These do pretty good. When I say pretty good, I've got these for about 3 at 2, some for 1. I think I got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I got a brand new pair right here that I paid $8 for. These used pair, they was going between $18 and $30 a piece, just depending on what they do. So I don't know, I might do a lot. I might just put them on there. These are pretty easy. You just hang them up, take a picture. It's not too bad. These brand new ones I might get a pretty penny for. But let's go to these hats down here. I got a nice University of Kentucky hat, vintage, for $1. Got that one for 50 cents. American Miniature Horse. Kentucky Dam Village. Then I got some of these right here. These are $5. Arizona, Pearl Harbor, 41, Navy, Korea. Pretty nice hats. And I went paid up for these. These were $5 a piece, and these are $1 a piece. This right here I thought was really neat. Right here, it's 1993 horse type print. Got hits on the sleeve. This is nice. This would do very good on eBay or on some type of auction. Horse stuff does good, period. I mean, people just love horses. We'll see how that does. I'll let y'all know. You got another one right here. You got a miniature horse on there. Oh, and I think I paid $2 for this one, I believe. Got another one, got a miniature horse on it. The best of the breed. $1 for that, I think. And this is like a custom. The people who lived in this house, they lived there for 55 years. And the daughter said that the mom that lived there actually made this shirt. So it's a nice vintage custom shirts. And back in the day, I think a lot of older people just made sweatshirts, because you can see them a lot on eBay. People made their Christmas shirts. They made all kinds of stuff back in the day, because this lady had a lot. She actually had some nice Christmas stuff too, but they wanted, for some reason, they wanted like $10 a piece for that. I might go over there tomorrow and see if I can talk them down. But anyway, so I got those pieces. I got some binoculars here, and I forgot I had these in a bag. I ended up paying like $5 for these, and I seen a pair go for like $39. So then I seen some go for like $20. So I don't know. These are in good condition, so maybe I can get upwards of that 30 something. This film right here, paid $4 for all this film. Film does great. Whenever you see film, get it, because you can get a pretty penny for it. There's about, I don't know, about 12 of them in there, so I should be pretty good on that. I've seen like one go for like $13, so that was a good one. Look how old this is. It says November 1981. That's the month and year I was born. That's when it expires. So that's crazy. Got some more tapes. I always keep tapes on deck. I got some in the other room in there, and then I got some here. So just whenever I sell, I get a camcorder or something like that, I always throw in nice tapes with it. So got that. Let's go through some of these shirts over here. Nice University of Kentucky vintage sweater here. Paid $3 for that. It's a woman's. An old vintage Valvoline jacket. It's real nice. I should do pretty good on that one. And I got some pearl snaps. These are old Wrangler shirts. They got the pearl snaps on it. Whenever you see a shirt that have these pearl snaps, they usually do pretty good. I've had success with these, so I would say that might be a, I don't know, I'm not gonna lie to you. It might be like a $30 shirt, $20-$30 shirt. Should go another one. It just depends on the style of the shirt. And you use a stripe, so that might be pretty good. A little dirty. I'm gonna have to wash them. And here's another one. Pay $1 a piece for all these. Got that. Got a GE jacket. The dude used to work at GE. GE's for me, vintage. And this right here is very, very neat. It's a navy rug wear jacket. Size medium. And then I got an old Volvo vintage jacket. So I got that. I'll show you everywhere there. Get all that. And then in here, which is spooky, and I'm glad, it's one reason why I came. The reason why I came to my office tonight after work, usually I go home and then I deal with it the next day, is because of these right here. These dolls. These are what, composition dolls or whatever, paper mache, over 100 years old dolls. And these were not gonna go to my house. So I had to bring these to the office right here. I just got finished taking a couple pictures of them. I'm gonna go ahead and list them so I can get them the heck up out of here. Paid $10 a piece. I think they wanted $15 for the big one, but I ended up getting both for $20. Hopefully I can do pretty good on those dolls, but we'll see. And that's about it. I actually stopped at the Goodwill too, man. I didn't film in there, but found some like almost brand new Common Hilfiger dress shoes. Pretty nice. That's $4. And I found some vintage shirts in there too. You know, but anyway, that's not why y'all here. So that's about it. And the reason why I am actually getting more clothes, because I got a lot of clothes and I said I'm gonna buy too many more. First of all, this was a good buy. And second of all, I'm on Whatnot now. And I'm planning on moving a lot of shirts and things that I have in here. So I don't mind doing that. I can get on Whatnot and sell 100 things in like one sitting. So anyway, that's about it. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to get out of here, go home, go to sleep. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. Y'all be good. Peace.